The Cretaceous period. A time when the world was a vastly different place. Dinosaurs roamed the earth and ruled the land, while massive marine reptiles dominated the oceans. It was a time of incredible biodiversity, with a wide array of plants and animals that thrived in environments ranging from dense forests to expansive deserts. But this era was also marked by significant environmental changes. Volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and shifting sea levels have all had a profound impact on the world's ecosystems. And then, suddenly, it all came to an end. Now we will take a journey back in time to explore the wonders and mysteries of the Cretaceous period. We will delve into the science behind the fossils that have been discovered, and the clues they hold about what life was like during this incredible time. Join us as we uncover the secrets of one of the most fascinating and mysterious periods in the history of our planet. The Cretaceous period was the last period of the Mesozoic era and is known as the final period of the Age of Dinosaurs. It lasted from approximately 145 million to 66 million years ago and was characterized by significant geological, climatic, and evolutionary events that ultimately led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. During the Cretaceous period, the Earth experienced warmer temperatures and higher levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide than today. The land masses were arranged differently, with a vast ocean called the Tethys separating the supercontinents of Laurasia in the north and Gondwana in the south. This separation allowed for the evolution of distinct dinosaur populations in each region. Some of the most iconic dinosaurs lived during the Cretaceous period, including the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the armored Ankylosaurus, and the long-necked Brachiosaurus. Other notable dinosaur groups that thrived during this period include the horned ceratopsians and the duck-billed hadrosaurs. Now, let's take a closer look at the dinosaurs who roamed the Earth in the Cretaceous period. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex for short, is one of the most iconic dinosaurs that ever existed. It is a member of the family of theropod dinosaurs that lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 68 to 66 million years ago. This fearsome predator was one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs ever to walk the Earth, with an average length of 12 to 13 meters and a weight of up to 7 tons. The name Tyrannosaurus rex means tyrant lizard king in Greek. It is believed that this name was given to this dinosaur because of its imposing size, strength, and ferocity. T-Rex had a massive head with powerful jaws filled with sharp, serrated teeth that could easily crush the bones of its prey. Its arms, though small, were also very strong and had two-fingered hands that could grab and hold onto its prey. T-Rex was an apex predator, meaning it was at the top of the food chain. It preyed on other dinosaurs, such as Triceratops and Edmontosaurus, as well as smaller animals like lizards and mammals. Its hunting strategy was likely to ambush its prey, using its powerful legs to sprint at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, and then using its massive jaws to deliver a crushing bite. Despite its fearsome reputation, the T-Rex was not invincible. It faced competition from other predators like the Giganotosaurus and the Spinosaurus, which were also large and powerful carnivorous dinosaurs. In addition, T-Rex was vulnerable to disease and injuries, which could have been fatal in the harsh environment of the late Cretaceous period. The discovery of T-Rex fossils has provided scientists with valuable insights into the biology and behavior of these ancient creatures. For example, scientists have been able to study the structure of T-Rex bones and muscles to better understand how it moved and how it could support its massive weight. They have also found evidence of injuries and diseases in T-Rex fossils, providing clues about the challenges these dinosaurs faced during their lives. In popular culture, the T-Rex is often depicted as a fearsome monster that terrorized the Earth. Its image has been featured in countless books, movies, and TV shows, and it remains one of the most recognizable dinosaurs to this day. However, our understanding of the T-Rex has evolved over time, and we now know that it was a complex animal that played an important role in the ecosystem of the late Cretaceous period. Tyrannosaurus rex was a fascinating and formidable dinosaur that captured the imagination of people around the world. Its massive size, powerful jaws, and fearsome reputation make it a compelling subject of scientific research and popular culture. By studying T-Rex fossils and other evidence, we can continue to learn more about this remarkable creature and the world in which it lived. Triceratops. Triceratops is one of the most recognizable dinosaurs that ever existed. It was a member of the Ceratopsidae family, which lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 68 to 66 million years ago. Triceratops was an herbivore that had a large bony frill on the back of its head, 3 horns on its face, and a bulky body with 4 sturdy legs. It was one of the largest ceratopsians, with a length of up to 9 meters and a weight of up to 12 tons. The name Triceratops means 3-horned face in Greek, and this dinosaur is best known for the 3 horns on its head. The largest horn was located on its snout, while the 2 smaller horns were above its eyes. These horns were made of solid bone and were used for defense against predators and for combat with other Triceratops. The bony frill on the back of its head was also used for protection and may have been used for display during mating season. Triceratops was a herbivore that fed on a variety of plants, including ferns, cycads, and conifers. It had a beak-like structure at the front of its mouth that it used to crop vegetation, and its teeth were constantly being replaced throughout its life. It is estimated that Triceratops had up to 800 teeth during its lifetime, with each tooth being replaced up to 5 times. Triceratops lived alongside other dinosaurs, such as the Tyrannosaurus rex and the Ankylosaurus. It is believed that Triceratops was a social animal that lived in herds, and that it used its horns and frill to defend its young from predators. Fossil evidence also suggests that Triceratops may have engaged in head-to-head combat with other Triceratops during mating season, using their horns to establish dominance. The discovery of Triceratops fossils has provided scientists with valuable insights into the biology and behavior of these ancient creatures. For example, scientists have been able to study the structure of Triceratops bones to better understand how it moved and how it could support its massive weight. They have also found evidence of injuries and diseases in Triceratops fossils, providing clues about the challenges these dinosaurs faced during their lives. In popular culture, Triceratops is often depicted as a peaceful and gentle giant. Its image has been featured in countless books, movies, and TV shows, and it remains one of the most beloved dinosaurs to this day. However, our understanding of Triceratops has evolved over time, and we now know that it was a complex animal that played an important role in the ecosystem of the late Cretaceous period. Triceratops was a fascinating and impressive dinosaur that captured the imagination of people around the world. Its distinctive horns and frill, its massive size, and its herbivorous diet make it a compelling subject of scientific research and popular culture. By studying Triceratops fossils and other evidence, we can continue to learn more about this remarkable creature and the world in which it lived. Velociraptor. Velociraptor, a genus of small theropod dinosaurs, is perhaps one of the most popular and recognizable dinosaurs. It lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 75 to 71 million years ago. Its name means swift thief in Latin, and it was aptly named for its remarkable agility and predatory behavior. Velociraptor was a bipedal dinosaur that stood about half a meter tall and weighed around 15 kilograms. It had a long, slender body and a long, stiff tail that provided balance and stability during running and hunting. It had large, curved claws on its hind feet that were used for grasping and tearing its prey, and its front arms were relatively small with sharp, curved claws that could be used for slashing. One of the most striking features of the Velociraptor was its feathers, which have been preserved in some fossils. This discovery was a major breakthrough in paleontology, as it provided evidence that some dinosaurs had feathers, challenging the long-held assumption that all dinosaurs were scaly reptiles. The feathers of the Velociraptor were long and asymmetrical, indicating that they were used for aerodynamic purposes such as gliding or maneuvering in the air. Velociraptor was a carnivorous predator that primarily hunted small animals such as lizards, birds, and mammals. However, it is also believed to have hunted in packs, attacking larger prey such as other dinosaurs. Its sharp teeth, powerful jaws, and quick movements made it an effective hunter, and it is considered one of the most intelligent and cunning dinosaurs. In popular culture, the Velociraptor has been portrayed as a terrifying and deadly predator. Its image has been featured in movies, TV shows, and video games, often as a ferocious and intelligent antagonist. However, scientists caution that the portrayal of the Velociraptor in popular media is often exaggerated or inaccurate, and that much of what we know about this dinosaur is based on incomplete fossil records. Despite the challenges of studying an extinct species, scientists have made significant discoveries about the Velociraptor. By analyzing its fossils, they have learned about its anatomy, behavior, and ecological role in the late Cretaceous period. They have also used advanced imaging techniques to study its internal structures and create detailed reconstructions of its skeleton and musculature. The Velociraptor was a fascinating and formidable dinosaur that captured the imagination of people around the world. Its remarkable speed, agility, and predatory behavior make it an intriguing subject of scientific research and popular culture. While our understanding of this dinosaur is still evolving, new discoveries and technologies continue to shed light on its incredible adaptations and unique characteristics. Spinosaurus. The Spinosaurus, a genus of large theropod dinosaurs, is one of the most interesting and unique dinosaurs ever discovered. It lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 112 to 93 million years ago, and is known for its distinctive sail-like structure on its back. The name Spinosaurus means spine lizard, referring to the long spines that supported the sail. The Spinosaurus was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs, measuring up to 15 meters long and weighing as much as 20 tons. Its most distinctive feature was the sail on its back, which was formed by elongated neural spines that projected upwards from the vertebrae. The sail is thought to have served several purposes, including thermoregulation, display, and possibly even as a visual signal to other Spinosaurus. In addition to its sail, the Spinosaurus had other unique features that set it apart from other theropod dinosaurs. It had a long, narrow snout that was lined with conical teeth, which were adapted for catching fish and other aquatic prey. It also had powerful arms with sharp claws that could be used for hunting or defense. Despite its impressive size and physical adaptations, there is still much that remains unknown about the Spinosaurus. Many of the fossils that have been discovered have been incomplete or damaged, making it difficult for scientists to reconstruct a complete picture of the dinosaur's anatomy and behavior. However, recent discoveries have shed new light on this enigmatic dinosaur. One of the most significant discoveries came in 2014, when a team of scientists discovered a nearly complete skeleton of a Spinosaurus in Morocco. This fossil provided new insights into the dinosaur's anatomy, confirming that it was indeed adapted for swimming and hunting in aquatic environments. The bones also revealed that the Spinosaurus had a crocodile-like snout and webbed feet, further confirming its aquatic lifestyle. The Spinosaurus has also been the subject of much debate and controversy in the scientific community. Some scientists believe that it may have been the largest carnivorous dinosaur ever to exist, while others argue that its size and anatomy may have been exaggerated or misinterpreted. Additionally, there has been debate over whether the Spinosaurus was primarily a land-based predator or a fully aquatic dinosaur. The Spinosaurus is a fascinating and unique dinosaur that has captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Its distinctive sail, powerful arms, and aquatic adaptations make it one of the most intriguing dinosaurs ever discovered. While there is still much to learn about this enigmatic creature, new discoveries and advancements in technology are allowing us to piece together a more complete picture of its anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history. Ankylosaurus. The Ankylosaurus is a genus of armored dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, about 70 to 66 million years ago. It is known for its distinctive armor plating and bony tail club, which it used for defense against predators. The name Ankylosaurus means fused lizard, referring to its heavily armored body. The Ankylosaurus was a herbivore that walked on all fours, and it had a heavily armored body that was covered in bony plates and spikes. Its armor was made up of large, oval-shaped plates called osteoderms, which were embedded in the skin and connected by bony plates called sutures. These plates provided protection against predators such as the Tyrannosaurus rex and the Velociraptor. In addition to its armor, the Ankylosaurus had a unique defensive weapon in the form of a bony tail club. The club was made up of several vertebrae that were fused together and formed a bony knob at the end of the tail. This tail club could be swung with great force and used to strike predators, causing serious injury or even death. Despite its heavily armored body and powerful tail club, the Ankylosaurus was a relatively slow-moving dinosaur. It is believed that it may have lived in herds for protection against predators, and its armor and club may have been used primarily for defense rather than offense. One of the most well-known Ankylosaurus fossils was discovered in the late 19th century in Montana, USA. This specimen, known as the Ankylosaurus magnaventris, was nearly complete and provided scientists with a detailed look at the dinosaur's anatomy and armor. Since then, other Ankylosaurus fossils have been discovered in various parts of North America, providing further insight into this fascinating dinosaur. In popular culture, the Ankylosaurus has been featured in numerous movies, TV shows, and video games, often as a slow-moving but heavily armored dinosaur that is difficult to defeat. Its unique armor and defensive tail club have made it a favorite among dinosaur enthusiasts and a popular subject of scientific research. The Ankylosaurus is a fascinating and unique dinosaur that is known for its heavily armored body and defensive tail club. Its armor provided protection against predators, while its club was a powerful weapon for self-defense. While the Ankylosaurus may have been slow-moving, its armor and club made it a formidable opponent for even the most ferocious predators. Its fossils continue to provide scientists with new insights into the anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history of this remarkable dinosaur. Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the late Jurassic period, approximately 155 to 150 million years ago. It is one of the most recognizable dinosaurs, known for its distinctive bony plates and spiked tail. The name Stegosaurus means roofed lizard, referring to the plates on its back. The Stegosaurus was a large dinosaur, measuring up to 9 meters long and weighing up to 5 tons. It had a small head with a beak-like mouth and large, flat teeth that it used to grind up vegetation. Its most notable features were the bony plates that ran down its back, which were arranged in pairs and staggered along its spine. These plates were composed of bone and were embedded in the skin, providing protection against predators. In addition to its plates, the Stegosaurus had a spiked tail that it could use for defense against predators. The tail had 4 pairs of bony spikes, which could be swung with great force to strike predators and cause serious injury. Despite its size and armor, the Stegosaurus was a relatively slow-moving dinosaur. Its legs were short and stocky, and it likely moved on all fours. Its large body and small head suggest that it had a relatively simple brain. and it may have relied on its armor and defensive tail to protect itself from predators rather than fleeing. Stegosaurus fossils have been discovered in North America, Europe, and Asia, providing scientists with a wealth of information about this dinosaur. However, there is still much that remains unknown about the Stegosaurus, including its behavior, diet, and reproductive habits. One of the most intriguing mysteries about the Stegosaurus is the purpose of its bony plates. Some scientists believe that the plates may have been used for thermoregulation, acting as radiators to help cool the dinosaur's body in the hot sun. Others speculate that the plates may have been used for display or communication, with the bright colors and patterns serving as a signal to other Stegosaurus or potential mates. In popular culture, the Stegosaurus has been featured in numerous movies, TV shows, and books, often as a slow-moving but heavily armored dinosaur. Its distinctive plates and spiked tail have made it a favorite among dinosaur enthusiasts and a popular subject of scientific research. The Stegosaurus is a fascinating and unique dinosaur that is known for its distinctive bony plates and spiked tail. Its armor and defensive tail likely served as protection against predators, while the purpose of its plates remains a topic of debate among scientists. While much about this dinosaur remains unknown, its fossils continue to provide valuable insights into the anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history of this remarkable species. Argentinosaurus. Argentinosaurus is a genus of sauropod dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 100 million years ago. It is one of the largest known dinosaurs, with estimates placing its length at around 30 meters and its weight at over 70 tons. This makes it one of the largest land animals to have ever existed. The first fossils of Argentinosaurus were discovered in Argentina in the early 1990s, and since then, several partial skeletons have been found. Despite the relatively few fossils available, scientists have been able to learn a great deal about this impressive dinosaur. Argentinosaurus was a massive animal, with a long neck and tail, and a large body supported by 4 thick legs. Its neck was estimated to be around 12 meters long, allowing it to reach high branches for food. Its body was barrel-shaped, which may have helped to support its immense weight, while its legs were robust and built for support. One of the most notable features of Argentinosaurus was its size. It is believed to have been one of the largest animals to have ever lived on land, even larger than other giant sauropods like Diplodocus and Brachiosaurus. Its size likely made it impervious to most predators, and it would have had few natural enemies. Despite its size and impressive weight, Argentinosaurus was likely a gentle giant. Its teeth were peg-like and unsuited for biting, and it is believed to have been a herbivore, feeding on vegetation such as ferns and conifers. It is also thought to have had a relatively small brain for its size, which may have limited its intelligence and behavioral flexibility. The discovery of Argentinosaurus has shed light on the evolution and ecology of sauropod dinosaurs, which were some of the most successful and widespread animals of the Mesozoic era. Sauropods were able to achieve such massive sizes due to their unique anatomy, which included air sacs and other adaptations that allowed them to breathe more efficiently. Argentinosaurus is a remarkable dinosaur that holds a special place in the history of life on Earth. Its enormous size and impressive anatomy have fascinated scientists and the public alike, and have contributed to our understanding of dinosaur evolution and ecology. Although much about this dinosaur remains a mystery, its discovery has sparked new questions and avenues of research, ensuring that the legacy of Argentinosaurus will continue to be explored for many years to come. Edmontosaurus. Edmontosaurus is a genus of herbivorous dinosaurs that lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 75 million years ago. They were members of the Hadrosauridae family, which includes other well-known dinosaurs such as the Parasaurolophus and the Corythosaurus. Edmontosaurus was a large animal, with some individuals measuring up to 12 meters in length and weighing over 4 tons. They had a distinctive duckbill-shaped mouth, which they used to grind up vegetation. Like other hadrosaurs, they also had rows of teeth in the back of their mouth that they used to break down tough plant material. One of the most notable features of Edmontosaurus was their elaborate head crests. These crests were composed of hollow bones and were likely used for communication and display. Some species of Edmontosaurus had large, flat crests on their heads, while others had more elaborate, bumpy crests that extended from their snouts to the tops of their heads. Edmontosaurus was also known for its bipedal stance, which allowed it to move quickly onto legs. However, they were also able to walk on all fours, using their long tail for balance. This adaptability likely made them more versatile and better able to navigate their environment. Edmontosaurus was widespread and successful during their time, with fossils being found in North America and Asia. Some of the best preserved Edmontosaurus fossils have been found in the Hell Creek Formation in Montana, which has provided scientists with a wealth of information about these dinosaurs. One of the most intriguing aspects of Edmontosaurus is their possible migration patterns. Scientists have found evidence of large herds of these dinosaurs traveling long distances, which suggests that they may have undertaken seasonal migrations in search of food and water. This behavior is similar to that of modern-day migratory animals, such as wildebeest and caribou. In popular culture, Edmontosaurus has been featured in numerous movies and TV shows, often as part of a herd of dinosaurs. Their distinctive appearance and interesting behavior have made them a favorite among dinosaur enthusiasts and a popular subject of scientific research. Edmontosaurus was a fascinating and unique dinosaur that was known for its elaborate head crest and bipedal stance. Its possible migration patterns suggest that it was an intelligent and adaptable animal, capable of navigating its environment in search of food and water. While much about this dinosaur remains unknown, its fossils continue to provide valuable insights into the anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history of this remarkable genus. But what happened to these amazing creatures, and how did it all come to an end? The extinction of the dinosaurs is one of the most significant events in the history of life on Earth. It marked the end of the Mesozoic era, a period that spanned over 180 million years, and is often referred to as the Age of Dinosaurs. The extinction event occurred about 66 million years ago, and it is widely believed to have been caused by a catastrophic asteroid impact. The impact of the asteroid, which was estimated to be about 10 kilometers in diameter, caused a massive explosion upon impact. The force of the impact would have triggered a chain of events that led to a global environmental disaster. The explosion would have created a massive cloud of dust and debris that would have blocked out the sun, causing a rapid drop in global temperatures. This would have led to a significant decrease in photosynthesis and plant growth, ultimately resulting in a reduction in food supplies for herbivorous dinosaurs. The decrease in food supplies would have had a cascading effect on the ecosystem. With fewer herbivores to prey upon, the carnivorous dinosaurs would have also suffered. Additionally, the sudden climate change would have caused widespread fires and other environmental disturbances, further exacerbating the extinction event. The impact of the asteroid would have also caused massive tsunami and earthquakes, which would have wiped out many species that lived in coastal regions. The shock waves from the impact would have been felt around the world, and it is estimated that they would have caused widespread destruction and upheaval. While the asteroid impact is widely accepted as the primary cause of the extinction of the dinosaurs, other factors may have also played a role. For example, volcanic activity and changes in sea level may have also contributed to the decline of dinosaur populations. Additionally, it is possible that diseases, competition from other species, or other factors may have played a role in the extinction event. The extinction of the dinosaurs had a profound impact on the evolution of life on Earth. It paved the way for the rise of mammals, which eventually became the dominant terrestrial animals on the planet. It also opened up ecological niches that allowed for the evolution of new species of plants and animals. In conclusion, the extinction of the dinosaurs was a catastrophic event that marked the end of an era in the history of life on Earth. The impact of an asteroid is widely believed to have been the primary cause of the extinction event, although other factors may have also played a role. The extinction of the dinosaurs had far-reaching effects on the evolution of life on Earth, and it continues to fascinate scientists and the public alike to this day.